Okay, so different principle with encapsulation and property initialization through the constructor. And if there any question, then you have to write down in comment section. I will reply as soon as possible. So let's start. So now we have to first create a new project. Like I will write down SQA. Okay, so everything is okay. So now we have to create. Can you be sure write this path? So click right button, mouse, and create a Java class, and you have to create like person. Okay, so this is my class name. So now we have to take name start, right hand and enter. So take first you have to take string. Okay, so there is space. Right, you have to take string like name. Then you have to take, sorry, don't need to take this right now. Okay, then you have to take like integer like is. Okay, so this is the, sorry, this is the field. Okay, like so I put down, this is the field for this. Okay, now if I like to write down constructor, sorry, like constructor. Okay, so constructor is, you have to take public person. Okay, person like string name. Comma and like integer like this. Okay, so you have to put on comma, now take second bracket, then write down this dot name contact, and put it is. Okay, so now you have to write down the method. Okay, so give a comment like method. So write down public void display. Then take second bracket, write down sort. So, okay, write down sort comma, like you have to write down age comma price. Okay, so totally this field constructor method overall the class for the good object oriented concept like encapsulation I have told previous time. So if I talk about the field, I have to take two fields like name and age, and this is the name in name fields and age fields, and to store this information about a person, these are instance variable that belong to each individual object like person and class. Okay, so now this is the constructor purpose. This is the constructor. Like the constructor public person string name integer is responsible for initializing the fields when a new person object is created, and it take a name and age as parameter and assign them to the respective field using this keyword. Okay, so now I will talk. I'm going to talk about the method. So this display info the prints of the output information of the person, including their name and age, and it's a good practice to have such method to encapsulate behavior related to the class. So now if I create another class, like this class name will be main. This is the main purpose of this. So let's start. This is the main. So now we have to create a main function. Write down main. Okay. So create person, then uh, person one, and write new person. Okay. So like if I give my name, okay. Then if I give my age like 4, then okay. You don't have to write anything. Just forget. Then again, create a new person 2. Something like give is 22. So go. Okay. So accessing and modifying object properties write down like a white display. Write person 1 to 20. Dot. So it's for this will be automatic. So press dot here and see the counters. Okay. So next you have to take person 2. And if you want to the modifying there is per person, then just you have to write down like I'm to change the person 1 is for update. Then just write down person 1 dot search. Now we change the age equal 28. Okay. Then write down display. Okay. So main class person class and object using this modification, the overall the person class seems to have a construction that takes name, age, and parameter and utilize the corresponding properties. And like if I went to this change this person 1, update everything, this will be the change this age, then it will be you should have to be write down this person 1 dot age this code, and it will be update automatically and show the it will be show the display. So go to the run. So if I run this project, then it will be show congratulations. This is the output. So the person 1 name is this one and age is 24. Okay. Then the second person name is yeah, it is 1 and age is 22. And this is the update. If I have updated this person 1 is, so it's have already updated. So 26. So same here. If you want to update it to the second person, like person 2, like it. Second person it is 22. If you want to update 25, sorry 29. Okay. So just same for display. Okay. So if you have this okay, it's run. So second person name is age is 29 is already updated. So it's overall the encapsulation for so object creation modification. So display initial information of both person 1 and person 2 using this display info method. Then I have directly modified the age and property like person 1 to age 26, or finally we have display updated on information of person 1. Similarly, I have updated modify age for person 2 to age of 29 from 22. So then finally you have to finally have to see the display on display updated information of person 2. So thank you.